Okay, so for question 27, we are given this table, which shows some information about the numbers of letters delivered to 50 houses. Part A says write down the modal class interval. This word modal means mode, i.e. the most common or the most frequent. So in this case, what's the most common number of letters to have delivered? Is it 0 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 7, or 8 to 10? The answer would be 0 to 2, because it's got the highest frequency here. There's 25 houses compared to only 12, 8 and 5. That would get us our marks for part A. For part B, slightly more work involved. Calculate an estimate for the mean number of letters delivered. So we know in general to find the mean, we kind of add up our total and divide by how many there are. So we're going to do that as well as we can here. So there are 25 houses, and each of these 25 houses has between 0 and 2 letters delivered. So I would say that they each on average get 1 letter delivered. And there are 12 houses that get somewhere between either 3 or 4 letters. So I'm just going to call that 3.5. This is the midpoint. I would then say there are 8 houses which get somewhere between 5 and 7 letters. So that's 6 letters. And finally, there are 5 houses which get between 8 and 10. So 9 letters delivered. I'm going to work out all of those now. So this is 25. This is 42. This is 48. And this is 45. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to work out the total number of letters delivered, total letters. So the total number of letters delivered we get by just adding up this column here. 25 plus 42 plus 48 plus 45 is 160. So in total, 160 letters were delivered. Other thing I would think about is the total number of houses. And the total number of houses is 50. I know it's 50 because it tells me here. Alternatively, I could add up this column and get 50. So to work out an estimate for the mean number of houses, I'm going to do 160 divided by 50. Oh, let me just write that out, it's really messy. Which is 3.2. So the mean number of letters delivered per house is 3.2.